what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. I got a critical video for you guys today. You're going to want to stick around through this one because man, oh man, did I find some good stuff. We got the first article talking about how social media is driving silver higher, and not just precious metals in general, but more specifically silver. This could be a new era. This could be a new digital age. We are advancing technologically, so this would make sense. The markets are being affected by new things. Back in the day, obviously social media wasn't a thing, so it was more of supply and demand. Nowadays we have this speculation word, and moving forwards it could play a huge role in silver's explosiveness. So we also have another one talking about how silver's building a base to $50. Now there is some stuff I want to talk about. I'm actually launching a huge 40,000 subscriber silver giveaway today, so you got to be subscribed because I'm giving away over $1,000 worth of silver to 5 of you guys. I'm picking 5 winners instead of 1, so the odds are more in your favor. Now, this is GSX, gold secured currency. This is a revolutionary coin. It's it's crypto backed by physical gold that you can exchange the coin in for physical gold. They actually own their own gold mines, and not just gold mines, alluvial mines, copper, lithium mining, ore operation. I mean, they're doing it all. And you can see right now, this is the roadmap. The launch sale ends in less than a month, and that's why I'm talking about it. The next decrease in buying bonus is in 6 hours. You get a 10% buying bonus today. The coins are 10 cents right now. 10 cents. I have over 100,000. I'm going in all in on this. You want to know why? Because in a year or two, they're estimating that the coin will be $1, $2 plus. And when this catches fire, when people hear about this as it gains attention, it could be much more than a couple dollars. So do the math. 10 cents right now, if it hits 3, 4, 5, that could be life-changing money, right? I mean, this is something that is an investment for future wealth. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and they're actually going to open a visiting center at the gold mine, or in the gold milling operation, which is 1 month after sale. So in a couple months, they're going to open the visitor center, live feed at mine. 4 months after sale, we're even going to have a 24/7 live feed of the mine. I'm going to show this video because this video explains it perfect. There is a lot to this company. They've been featured by Forbes, NASDAQ, Fox Business, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Fox News, Los Angeles Times, Reuters, CCN. But they're doing a lot more than just GSX. They're doing a national currency system, a tax system, mineral claim system, commodity exchange, government-backed platform, Knox Exchange, Apollo Cash, a currency, and then GSX, which is obviously the one we're going to talk about, because I don't like crypto if it's not backed by something of real intrinsic value. That's why I like gold secured currency. But anyways, I'm going to shut up. Watch this video. This 3-minute video will definitely explain everything you need to know, and also why this coin could be so profitable.
Introducing gold secured currency, better known as GSX. The first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits: 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the U.S. dollar per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per U.S. dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50% of all gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. 8. Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9. Participation. GSX is more than an investment. It's an experience. Holders will be able to visit and stay at the main mine at the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their home. Gold-secured currency is a new kind of investment. An investment that allows its holders the ability to watch their net worth expand.
So now you understand why I showed that video, because they explained it a lot better than I can. It's definitely something I'm interested in, I'm looking into. So if you want to check it out, if you want to invest, the link is in the description. I'll probably do a pinned comment as well if you want to start investing. Now let's jump into the main part of the video. So social media has a very, very, very large impact on not only precious metals markets or prices, but obviously stocks, obviously Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is based off of speculation. That's kind of why I like GSX, because it's backed by physical gold. But we're in a new whole era, right? The point is that everyone is paying attention to everything, and there's a lot happening right now. So everything is kind of up in the air. You can't have stable prices if the economy's unstable. With this pandemic, things are going up, down, left, right, and a lot of people are hesitant. That's why you're going to see a lot of panic selling, a lot of impulse buying, a lot of trading, going from stocks to gold, or gold to Bitcoin, or vice versa. There's going to be a lot of that. There's going to be a whole lot of that until things start to slow down. Now, high volatility also means high opportunity, but I want you guys to let me know what you think about social media being more of an influencer into silver in particular. So this year's record start for the new precious metals investing continued last month here at Bullion Vault, and they're beating every previous February for the first-time users on a surge of silver demand prompted by social media. Now, we got the Reddit short squeeze, obviously. They tried to short squeeze silver. Well, they did, and it was actually pretty successful for a couple days. Obviously, in the longer term, that's not realistic. Silver still it is fundamental. It has intrinsic value, but it's also fundamental. The main price of silver is going to be affected by supply and demand. There is manipulation going on. I'm going to be honest. You have banks like JP Morgan, which got caught spoofing. 3 of their employees got sent to jail or prison. Spoofing is when you place false buy orders on these exchanges, canceling the order before it goes through, so giving a false representation of that exchange. Now, asked how they first found Bullion Vault, the global market leader for securely stored precious metals, held ready for instant resale 24/7. Some 11.5% of users in 2021 have so far cited social media. So with other sources holding steady, that has helped drive the strongest ever start to year since Bullion Vault launched in 2005. So it is cool how they're using their own statistics to kind of gauge. And I can do the same thing with my channel as well. I haven't been doing anything different with my videos. I've been making videos for 5 years on this channel. But the views on my videos are a lot higher right now, which shows that people are searching and looking and researching silver. You can even see the Google search value. This was comparing silver to gold. Right now, silver is up level with gold, when usually gold is the mascot. Gold drives people into precious metals. Then they find out about silver, which is a more affordable, cheaper, more potential type of investment, and then they switch over. So anyways, let's move on to this next article talking about how silver is seeing healthy consolidation, building a base to $50. When do you guys think silver is going to reach $50 again? Remember, not even 10 years ago, silver was $50. And what led silver to $50 back then was nowhere near as extreme as a situation we have today. Back then, the credit crisis, financial crisis in 2008, leading to billion-dollar stimulus, recession/depression, which led to $50 silver in 2011. But nowadays, credit, financial crisis, recession/depression, $1 trillion stimulus, which is a lot more than a billion. Then we have a global pandemic, the U.S.-China trade negotiation, one of the most controversial presidential elections, and then the candidate that did win the presidential election is throwing excessive spending into green energy, which is also needed heavily into silver, 5G technology, electric vehicles. And it just looks like if that led silver to $50 back then in 2011, imagine what it could lead silver into today. So silver market continues to see healthy consolidation as it builds a solid base and digests last month's push to $30 an ounce. So Andy Hecht, creator of the Hecht Commodity Report, said in a report published Monday that he remains bullish on silver even as the price continues to consolidate below $28. This is only a buying opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. So he added that silver continues to ride the bullish momentum that can be seen throughout commodity markets, with coffee, sugar, copper, tin, lumber prices at multi-year and even all-time highs. Market participants looking for a continuation of bullish price action in the commodities asset class could stampede into the silver market over the coming weeks and months. I believe we will see a new record high in the silver market over the coming months and years, but it could be a very bumpy ride to the upside as we witnessed in 2020. This is where you got to be careful. A lot of people are going to be buying silver once it's approaching $40, $50. That's buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Don't buy high, sell low. That's what most people do, though. Ironically, most people buy high. That's when all the hype is around it. That's when everyone's talking about it. News articles. Everyone buys high because they're like, oh, they finally see some validation that it is profitable. And then when it drops, when it corrects, then they sell. They panic sell. You got to get in before the curve. Just like with GSX, it's 10 cents right now. Get in now, because most people are going to be buying GSX when it's like $1 plus. It's too late. You already missed the boat. Just like with Bitcoin. I started buying Bitcoin at $1,800. Most people bought it at $18,000 or even $58,000. You got to get in before. When most people are talking about it, when it's mainstream news now, it's too late. You missed your chance to really make some good profits. So anyways, I really wanted to share this. This is definitely some interesting stuff. What do you think about the social media things? Very interesting. Even when I was at the local coin shop, I was talking to the owner and I was asking him, he's been stacking precious metals for 45 years. So I asked him, are the markets affected differently nowadays than back then? And he was saying, yeah, definitely. Nowadays, there's speculation. A single tweet from Donald Trump could send silver prices flying. Back in the day, that wasn't a thing because there wasn't Twitter. Also, the markets are they're more wishy-washy. You also have younger generations coming into investing in their 20s and 30s with apps like Robinhood. So times are changing. We have to learn to adjust and adapt with the change if we want to stay profitable. We have to adjust, tweak our stacking strategy, and that's how we're going to be successful investors. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was, informational, educational, at least entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. Subscribe. I'm doing a massive giveaway. I'll be doing the entry video today, so you don't want to miss that. You got to be subscribed. Turn on notifications so you get notified when that video drops. I would hate for someone to miss their chance to win a lot of silver, to miss my $1,000 plus silver giveaway entry video. So make sure you're subscribed and look out for that later on today. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the link in the description for GSX. It's definitely something that has a lot of potential. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.